Hello दोस्तों, welcome to the channel Ganegraphy Daily Market Analysis for Stocks, and I wish all my viewers a very happy Independence Day. Today we are going to learn step by step process for trading penny stocks, and then we will look for 5 penny stocks to watch out for in this market. Alongside we will also look into their analysis. But before going there, don't forget to subscribe and share this channel among your friends who are interested to learn about share market trading for free. Great. Let's move into our session today. So let's understand what are penny stocks. These stocks trade at a very low price and have a low market capitalization and generally trade between 50 paisa to rupees 10 per share. These are ultra micro cap companies with a market capitalization of less than rupees 100 crore. Now the question comes, why we should spend in penny stocks? So let's understand. The reason is quite simple, friends, as it is unknown to the investing public at mass because of a fear that the fundamentals are not known, and low market capitalization keeps institutional investors away from such stocks. This is where the advantage comes to an investor who is prepared to do proper homework into the fundamentals of the penny stocks. If the investor is able to find a penny stock with good fundamentals and is able to buy the stock at extremely low valuations, he can make an enormous fortune. So let's look into some examples. Manappuram General Finance, which is a leading NBFC, which means non-bank financial institution, and was trading at rupees 15 in 2014. Today it is hovering around rupees 155 per share, which is a tenfold increase in 6 years. A bank doesn't even make your money double in that time, my friends. So what are you thinking about? Let's look into one more example. HR Motors was trading around rupees 21,160 in July 2020. Surprisingly, the same stock was trading at rupees 9 per share in 1998. So can you do the calculations on your own for rupees 9 to 21,160? So there are many more examples like Titan, Lupin, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Bajaj Finance, which were penny stocks and which became multi-bagger in the long term. Now we need to understand how to select these stocks. First thing, low market price, rupees 2 to rupees 10 or 20. Second thing, strong underlying business. To understand the strong underlying business, we need to understand a little about sales growth, profit growth, return on equity, debt condition of the company, and few more. Third thing is undervalued price. A high price earning ratio could mean that a stock's price is high relative to the earnings and possibly overvalued, and vice versa for low price earning ratio, which might indicate that the current stock price is low relative to the earnings. Though PEG ratio, which means price per earning to growth, gives an apple to apple comparison, but if you are thinking that you have came across like too many jargons in last few minutes, let me tell you, you don't need to know how to calculate these ratios. आजकल इंटरनेट पे हजारों साइट है जो कि कह देता है सारे calculations. All you need to do is search properly. Okay friends, so let's look into the rules for investing in penny stocks. Rule number 1, invest only less amounts. Ensure that only a small amount of the portfolio is invested in such stocks. Suppose value of a stock is rupees 5. You get 1000 stocks of that company for rupees 5000. If the stock increases by 1 rupee in 1 month, that means you are earning 1000 rupee profit in 1 month, which also means 20% return in 1 month. अगर आप ये 5000 रुपये बैंक में रखते तो एक महीने में आपको इंटरेस्ट मिलता 16 रुपये, 4% के हिसाब से बोले तो 4%, और इधर मिल रहा है 1000 रुपया, विच मीन्स 60 गुना ज़्यादा दोस्तों. 3 गुना लगान के लिए इतना कुछ हो गया तो 60 गुना के लिए आपको रूल्स तो फॉलो करना ही पड़ेगा. सो फ्रेंड, वी कांट डेविएट फ्रॉम द रूल्स. रूल नंबर 2, डाइवर्सिफाई वाइडली and have a basket of penny stocks, which means buy 1000 stocks of 2 or 3 company. Don't invest 1 lakh in one stock. Rule number 3, monitor the performance every 15 days. Rule number 4, research report. Penny stocks are the favorite hunting ground of operators and manipulators. So do your own research before investing. अब इतना तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना, 60 गुना लगान जो मिल रहा है. Rule number 5, सब्जेक्ट टू अ स्ट्रिक्ट स्टॉप लॉस. मतलब 5 रुपये 50 पैसे पे एक स्टॉक खरीदा और देखा कि नीचे जा रहा है, 4 रुपये 90 पैसे पे गया तो सब बेच दो बिना मोह माया दिखाया है. तो अभी सवाल ये है कि हाउ टू गेट अ स्टॉप लॉस वैल्यू. मतलब अगर मैं 5 रुपये 50 पैसे इन्वेस्ट किया है तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि 4 रुपये 90 पैसे में गया तो मुझे सब कुछ बेच देना है. तो इसके लिए हमको स्टॉप लॉस वैल्यू का पता चलना चाहिए. फॉर दैट you need to do a pivot point analysis. I have given a link in the description of this video how to do the calculations and all. And finally caution. तो दोस्तों आप सबने सुना ही होगा investments are subjected to market risk. So when trading penny stocks, always keep in mind never build a huge position in any of the stocks. If the market decides to move in the opposite direction, then losses can also magnify. Hope you have understood the basics of selecting a penny stock and how to invest in them. Let's go and look into some live examples. So our first example is South Indian Bank Limited. I don't know whether you have heard about it before or not. South Indian Bank Limited is headquartered at Thrissur, Kerala, and the bank ratio of over 72.91% is sensibly lower for industry loan to deposit level and within the safe margin, which places the bank in a very relatively safe liquidity position. So whichever stock we are going to select, we need to do a research about their background. So this stock is currently trading at 7.05 rupees and have a market capitalization of 1277 crore. The book value and price to earning ratio shows positive, and also the price book ratio is at 0.25. We will move into our next stock, that is Urja Global Limited. It does solar panel installation and maintenance. And also Urja Global Limited is a vertically integrated company operating in the power sector. It is into the business of providing on grid and off-grid power solution through solar energy. Currently trading at rupees 3.05 at share market. Market capitalization is at 156 crore. Though the book value is less at 2.49 crore, but price to book ratio is at 1.24, which makes the stock a promising one. Our next stock is Treehouse Education and Accessories Limited. Currently this stock is trading as 8.55 rupees, but if you look into my other videos which are there in this channel, I have already suggested this stock when it was at rupees 6. So few of my friends who have already invested in this company has already got a 50% return. The market capitalization for this company is at 36 crore, but the book value is at 75 crore, which is more than the market capitalization, and that is where it makes this company a lucrative share. Our next stock is Trident Limited, which is currently trading at rupees 6.70 in the market. It is a terry towel, yarn and wheat straw based paper manufacturer. The company segments include textile, paper and chemicals. The market capitalization for this share is at 3,434 crores and the book value is at 5.82 crore. It also has a decent price book ratio at 1.66. This is a hot stock now in the market and it is seeing lots of ups and downs. Hope we can make a profit from this one. Our next stock is 3i Infotech Limited, which is currently trading at 2.85 rupees in the share market. This company was promoted by ICICI Bank, but ICICI divested the majority of the shares in March 2002. Currently, it has a market capitalization of 478 crore and the book value looks at 3.3 crore. Seeing the records, I was expecting this company share to hover somewhere around rupees 10 minimum, but it is hovering somewhere around rupees 3. So that is the reason I am not that positive on this stock. So let's move on to our next stock. It is GTL Infrastructure Limited. It is currently trading at 75 paisa in the share market and it is an independent telecom tower company in India, one of the top telecom infrastructure companies with 28,000 towers. It has a market capitalization of 901 crore, but the book value is in negative. Though it is a penny stock at 75 paisa, because the book value is in negative, so I would never invest in this stock. So hopefully with these examples you have come to understand which penny stock to choose when and which penny stock not to choose. I have selected few more stocks for you which are creating a buzz in the market right now and falls into the penny stock category. They are Suzlon Energy Limited, Ratan India Infrastructure Limited, Jai Prakash Associated Limited, Reliance Power Limited. I want you to do your own research on these stocks and find your fortune. That's all for today. उम्मीद करते हैं सारे ट्रेडिंग आपका बहुत अच्छा जाए. फॉलो करते रहिए इस चैनल को. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon and also like, share and comment.